In this video, we're gonna write numbers in scientific notation. Before we get started, let's figure out what is scientific notation. Imagine you have numbers like this. It's kind of hard trying to say or write them out, right? That's where scientific notation comes in. Here I have 2.5 times 10 to the power of 11. There's a format to writing it this way. First off, there's this decimal point that we need to pay attention to. Now, in front of that decimal, there should be only one digit. That one digit should go from 1 to 9. 0 or 10 is not acceptable. And then after that, you figure out what's the exponent value. It should be either a positive or negative integer, which is numbers like -2 or +3 or so on. Let's convert this huge number into scientific notation. We need to place in the decimal point, which is located all the way at the end of the number. And then we need to move the decimal all the way to the left until there's only one digit right before it. So right now we have 12 digits in front of the decimal, so we need to keep moving it all the way until 1. So in total, we move 11 steps. So we write 1.4 times 10 to the power of 11. It's 11 because we move 11 steps, and it's positive because we move to the left. The exponent is positive when the number is greater than 1. In this case, 140 followed by 9 more zeros is definitely greater than 1. Now let's try and convert this very small number into scientific notation. In the previous example, for a large number, we moved the decimal to the left because there were a lot of numbers in front of the decimal point, right? In this example, the decimal place is here. There are 9 zeros before the number 257, so we'll need to move the decimal to the right all the way until there's one digit before the decimal point, meaning we'll need to move it until right after the number 2. Since we move it to the right 10 times, the exponent will be -10. The scientific notation of this number is 2.57 times 10 to the power of -10. Now it's negative exponent because it's a very small number that is less than 1. To recap, for a large number, we move the decimal to the left, we count the number of places moved, and write that number in positive exponent. For a small number, we move the decimal to the right, count the number of places moved, and write that number in negative exponent. I hope this video helped you out somehow. Do subscribe, and thanks for watching.